and that's for us to be able to like to answer the second most common question that we get from Facebook from potential affiliates
Yeah.
is how do I be affiliate?
Oh,
And so it like that's like our way of helping people get the lay of the lands to it's the 101 course
yeah.
of your intro to chemistry, your like intro to the whole world, so you can know like what's this, what's like what is a pitch page, what is what is like what is a squeeze or land pre-land or whatever your parlance is or a bounce page. What is like what are you
Headlines,
doing?
copywriting,
What's your headlines, your hooks, your like what is how quickly like so so you're not getting lost into almost the like way too 4D chess of being like what color does this button need to be, and you're like
Mm,
forget about the color, your headline's awful. Like no
mhm.
like,
Yeah.
let's worry about color theory after we get these other basics like taken care of. So
Yeah.
and what it looks like, what how like what's spy traffic, what's not spy traffic, what like like what is how are you using your domain, like have you checked to see if your domain is in the green, has it been flagged recently, has it's and that may be why your Facebook
Mm,
like let's try to get all these things lined up so that you're able to have all the levers, all the tools, all the things at your disposal to be a good marketer, to be a good problem solver. And then you can take your talents and go to I'm going to be specialized in Facebook. And now I know how, like if things aren't working, I have this base set of
mhm.
skills as an affiliate marketer to not just be a hammer to a nail. Now
Yeah.
I know the basics and what what are the variables into this equation and to really make it work.
So you're saying that it's not three easy steps and tomorrow we'll be rich and
I mean, no, it takes at least 2 days to be rich. No, but
uh,
the but yeah, like because you as an affiliate yourself, you like when you're first getting into it and you're first starting to learn, then you're really hit with all those ads of being like guy in front of Lambo being like, "Yo, like you could be me," and you're like, "Check this out," and there are a lot of people who make really good money into this.
Mhm.
But it's in anything there's a monkey's paw. There's always something. There's like in any career, in anything you go into, there is there's something required. Is difficult, and it becomes a devil you know. How like
Mm,
what is the devil you know, and what is the devil you want to be like know best? Because there are good things too there, but then there's also like it well I have to deal with if I have to be in asking Facebook what happened to my ad account one more time, I'm going to flip out. But for some people, you're like, well, I know even though this absolutely sucks dealing with that, I know what I need to do when that happens, and here's the steps that I do, and I'm so accustomed to it. Like like I'm good at it. I'm
yeah.
good at even the things that suck about it, and
Ah,
that's the key on any part of this affiliate industry is like you know that we want to teach is like, hey, wherever you go, just it's not all rainbows. We want it to be rainbows, but
yeah.
we want it. We want to be as realistic to what people are able to do
Yeah.
and achieve in it.
Yeah, that's pretty good. And setting the right expectations is super important. And yeah, you're totally right. Being an affiliate, being a media buyer, even if you would go for free traffic or search traffic or whatever, it's a job that you have to learn. And not
Yeah,
every job is good all the time and every day. And
right.
like, yeah,
And I've been
yeah,
there on the free traffic. Like free traffic is just means time traffic. It's like
yeah,
how much is your time worth?
yeah,
And sometimes your time is not worth that much. And then if you get really good at it, then your
mm,
time becomes very valuable.
yeah,
Now this thing that was free traffic is now very expensive traffic
yeah,
because of the way it can. It can so it's all those things of like. I think that's also what's cool about our industry is there's so many different ways of going about it, and there's so many different ways of being able to reach an end customer. with marketing. It's about my favorite people in this industry are the people who are, like they know the basics and the fundamentals behind everything of why it works.
Yeah.
And you can and so you can put them, they may be an expert in Facebook traffic, but if you put them on a completely other different medium or other different things,
Mm.
they're instantly being like, oh, that works because this works, or
Yeah.
the curiosity of why it does and how can I take this other aspect and bring it into the thing that I do well. They're just marketing people by heart.
Yeah. Yeah. And if you understand how people work and why they buy and
Mm-hmm.
how to get their curiosity up, how to create open loops throughout your content. So they definitely have to watch this video now. And
Yes, it's the behavioral economics of the whole thing.
exactly. And sprinkle in some social proof, tell people how much they
Oh yeah,
liked
you
it
gotta have this.
already, like
You
all
have the
that stuff.
social proof. Gotta the yeah. Have to act now. We only have so
Yeah.
much.
Urgency.
There's
Yeah.
the telling the story of it.